Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking apart the Metal Toys Top B and putting it back together. So if you guys been wondering how to do it properly and you don't want to open it up by yourself and you think it's going to mess it up or whatever, this is your video to watch. So yeah, it has two screws, one here and one here. So first you got to unscrew them. All right, let's get right into it. That's one screw. That is the second screw. So this is just the cover for this part. This is the part where it just rolls on the track. So yeah, right there. It's got this little serial number right here, 560. So yeah, now you gotta unscrew these two. And there you go. And there you go. Now you have both of those taken out. There you go. Now you have both of those open. And now you gotta lift this track right there. And then that is the plate that makes the clicks. And again, sorry about that, like a leaf blower. My neighbor is using it outside. So as you can see, these two balls are smaller than these two. So these are bigger and these are smaller. And that's how they have it. I'm gonna try to lean it to the side so you guys can see right there. They're sitting on springs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these like this, so I know how to put it back together. And then I'm gonna use this knife to take out the springs, put it next to each ball. I'm also gonna compare these two springs. Come on. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna put this aside. So this is the bottom piece. This is the heaviest part of this whole thing. So there you go. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a wipe, and then I'm just gonna clean it off really quick. And there we go. So you can see the sides are a bit scratched up because of the sliding this plate does against it. That's why. And yeah, I'm gonna put this down now, and then I'm gonna compare these balls. All right, so here are the two different balls. The left one is obviously smaller than the right one. And here are the two different springs. Yeah, they're the same size. Yep. Actually, no, they're not. I think the one on the right is just a bit taller, maybe just by a little bit. That's why Metal Toys products are so good. They have really good springs and stuff like that. Jesus, just stay up. Alright, whatever. So that's that. Right there. Alright. Now I want to clean this part. This will also be a cleaning session for these products. And yeah. Clean that. Now the screws. Now the plate. You can see how much dirt's coming off. Not dirt, but like, whoops. But like all that like metal inside of it that's coming off. The balls, they all build up in there. And every now and then it's just good to clean it out. Alright, so this part is as clean as it will get, I think. Let me try and do this. No point. Whatever. And then these screws are pretty clean. See, I'll clean them as well. But yeah, there we go. And then this part as well. And there you go. These are the two halves. This is stainless steel. Pretty cool. All right. Now we're gonna be putting these back together. Let me get a cloth. Clean this off. There we go. All right. I'm gonna first start off by putting in the springs. There we go. Now we have the springs in. As you guys can see, the springs on these edges are sticking out more because they're bigger. I mean, taller springs, and yeah, they give, they're a bit stiffer. And now we put in the balls in. So these are the two small balls. I don't know what your configuration is, so it just maybe like all big balls or like all small ones. So yeah, and then you can just tune this thing a lot of different ways. So now I put the bigger balls in as well. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put the plate over it, and then I'm gonna take this thing, put it right there. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put the balls back. I'm gonna oil this up real quick so it slides better. And I'm gonna do the same with this piece. All right, they're all oiled up now. Now I'm gonna put this thing back together. Small balls first, then the bigger ones. Then I'm gonna put those down. And then comes the plate. Then this thing. Put in the screws. Screw them in. There you go. Now it's time to put back this thing. Putting this, so I put this thing down, the cover back on right here. Then I am gonna put the first screw in. There we go. And now the second one. There we go. Tighten these real quick. All right, there we go. And here it is. It actually sounds a bit better. I think just every now and then when you clean these products, they click and slide better. But yeah, again, I really recommend this thing. It's one of my favorite fidgets of all time. I gotta get more materials of this thing. PEI, titanium. Gotta try them all out and see what I like more. Also try out different balls and springs. But yeah, so far I love this thing. So yeah, let me know what kind of configuration you guys have with the plate, because you can have different kinds of plates as well as different kind of balls and springs. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to check out the channel sponsors also down below. I've got like 10% off discount codes for a lot of sites. Check them out down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. And the next video will be taking apart the top D and putting it back together. So yeah, I'm gonna record this next. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.